During past few days, I have been juggling a lot with work-life balance, managing household chores, attending a lot of phone calls became extremely difficult for me. Then one of my friends suggested me Leaf Dots True Wireless Earphones, and I must say they are just amazing to use. This one I'm talking about. Let's explore the benefits of these earphones into the next section. It becomes very difficult to carry your phone everywhere, especially when you are managing work-life balance during this pandemic. Wired headphones are also of no use. So then comes the wireless earphones. So now what about true wireless earphones? True wireless earphones refer to the Bluetooth or IEMs that doesn't have any cable or wire attached to it, or to the audio sources like smartphones, music players, tablets, etc. So then what about the mic, volume control and the battery? Yeah, everything, these three things, everything are connected into the earphones itself. Amazing, na? You must be thinking, then what are those wireless in-ear earphones? Look the picture. These wireless in-ear earphones are similar Bluetooth devices like these true wireless earphones, with the only key difference that there is the cable attached to it, and all the mic, volume control and the battery are connected to that cable itself. So that was the difference between the true wireless earphones and the wireless in-ear earphones. So now let's explore the factors required while buying these true wireless earphones. There are few basic factors while buying these true wireless earphones. Sound quality, wireless range, then the warranty, the price, the comfort and the design. So now you must be thinking that what is the sound quality and how does it get affected? Sound quality basically gets affected when there is a specific range in which you are accessing that earphone and the audio source. That means your smartphones, your music players, your tablets. So in that case, you have to check the distance between those devices. Then comes the factor where you need to check the number of obstructions such as walls in your room, in your house. You're wandering here and there, then how good is that approach while connecting those earphones with the audio source? And then comes the most interesting part, is it the Bluetooth audio codecs which are inbuilt into those devices should be supportable for both the devices, that is earphones and the audio sources. Now what about the wireless range? Basically, when it comes to the wireless range, most of the Bluetooth technologies connected into these smartphones, laptops, they range for 33 feet, that is 10 meters. So these true wireless earphones also support this range. Now what about the battery life? Most of these true wireless earphones have average of 3 hours of battery life. Worried na? 3 hours? The thing is, with this wireless earphones, you get a charging case. That's one. So here you are having this earbuds put into this charging case, so they get charged automatically. But yes, you have to charge this charging case as well to use it for longer time. So when you are using this charging case, a great charging case, then it will last for 5 to 6 years, 6 hours of the battery life. Sorry, not years. So this is about the battery life, then about the wireless range, price, and the warranty. Most of them have the warranty of 1 year, and price vary as per that particular brand. So these are the factors affecting while buying these true wireless earphones. So now you want to know what about this Leaf Dots wireless earphones then? How good are they? Let's talk about that in the next section, that how you will feel better while having these earphones into your life. Let's explore it. If you're looking for budget friendly earphones, then definitely you should go for Leaf Dots wireless earphones. Leaf Dot True Wireless Earphones provides lots of benefits at an affordable price. I purchased them from Amazon at a price of 1499. Great, na? And so what are these benefits of these earphones? First of all, when I used before using these earphones, I need to be very sure about its battery life. So I charged it overnight through this charging case, and in the next day I started using it to understand the distance coverage and the overall battery life of it. Distance coverage, talking of it, I had kept my mobile phone in the bedroom, and I was wandering here and there into my house. Every corner of my house I was going, and I came to know that it is really picking up the range in every room of my house, whether it's bedroom, whether it's hall, whether it's kitchen, bathroom, everywhere it was picking up the range. So it was giving a bit annoyance when there is a certain wall or certain thing, but not much. So I liked it a lot. Now then comes with the battery life. Non-stop 6 hours it was working. Yes. And I read, I listened a lot of music, audiobooks, attended lots of phone calls onto it. So then I should definitely say that 6 hours non-stop without charging those earbuds, if they are working fine, that is great. I just loved it. Now, sounds so much interesting. So something I thought that why something should be there which should be annoying. What is that annoying part? Annoying part. Let's see. No, I'm not juggling with it. What I meant to say is, if you think that everything looks fine, there should be something wrong into this device. See, this particular device also talks about sweat proof for workouts. How to test it? What I did, using these earphones, I washed my face 2 to 3 times. 3 times I have washed my face entirely. And it didn't became disturbing or anything, and even it didn't fell out of my ears. So whatever they are claiming, sweat proof. It works. Warranty, na? 1 year warranty. Price affordable. 1499 from Amazon. Warranty 1 year. Waterproof. Good sound quality. Good range. So all these factors make it so very nice to have these earphones into your life. Definitely you will like this a lot, and hope you like my review on this. This was an honest review of this product which I have used for a few days now. Next week I will definitely come with yet another interesting video. Do like, share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.